All right, guys, we're gonna draw a super cute panda bear cub holding a shoot of bamboo. So let's go ahead and get started with our drawing. We're gonna start with the eyes. We're gonna draw two circles. Two circles. All right, when we're done drawing those circles, we're gonna add another circle, another smaller circle on the inside. Good, and then we're gonna color in that bigger circle. Color in the bigger circle. We're gonna do that for both of the eyes. Awesome, then we're gonna move on to his nose. We're gonna move on to his nose. It's just a little triangle. Then the mouth. And that curved line for the snout. Then we'll add the eyebrows. Then we'll move on to the ears. We're gonna draw two semicircles. Two semicircles. After that, we can draw the inside of the ears. It's going to be another semicircle on the inside, a smaller semicircle on the inside. Then we're going to add a little bit of fluff to the top of his head. So 3 zigzag lines, then another connecting line, and we have the top of the head. Then we're going to draw the sides of the face. So the sides of the face are going to be really fluffy, so we're going to add some zigzags and then curve around. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Zigzag, zigzag, and then curve around. And we're going to add a little line for the chin. Then we're going to move on to the bamboo. Stalk. So we're going to draw a diagonal line, leave a little bit of room for his paw. Then we're going to draw a curved line on both ends. Curved line on both ends, and then bring it back down. And we're going to leave room for the other paw on that side. Then we're going to draw some little leaves on the side of our bamboo. And then curved lines going down the bamboo. Perfect. Then we're going to draw his little paws. And then some zigzags for some more fluffiness. And a couple of lines for the toes. A couple of lines for the toes on both sides. Then we'll move on with the rest of the body. So we're going to draw this line that goes down, stops about there, so that we can draw the hind paws. So we're going to draw a circle. We're going to draw a circle, and then 2 lines for the toes, and then a circle for the paw pad. We're going to draw another circle, 2 lines for the toes, and a circle for the paw pad. Awesome, now we just need to connect these lines. We're going to draw a line down here to connect, a line up here to connect, and then a line there. Now he just needs a little tiny tail. So we'll draw a circle here, and we're all done. So panda bears, they have black around their eyes, their ears, their arms, legs, and their tail.